Welcome to an undisclosed location. First of all, I want to thank you all, everyone who commented and engaged with the recent video featuring this device. For any of you guys that missed it, this device suits these Makita LXT 18V batteries. It's a diagnostic and reset tool. What it does is it displays on this screen some diagnostic information about the battery, and if the battery has planned obsolescence lockout, it unlocks that too. Since I did that last video, everyone wants to get their hands on my small but perfectly formed tool. The excitement in that last video was unexpected, and I'm really grateful for everyone who engaged in it. I do, however, want to talk to the unsilent minority who kind of misunderstood where I'm coming from with this device. I got to tell you a few things. Firstly, I repair batteries myself as a side hustle. That's why I have this. I'm also a content creator in 3 platforms. That's why I told you about the device. I would consider myself the self-proclaimed de facto power tool battery doctor of the internet. I did, in fact, not make this device. I bought it with my own money. In the comment section of the last video, a lot of you have been terrific, but there's been a few comments, one calling me shady, saying this was a scam. It can't be a scam because I bought this with my own money and I'm not selling them. Other people accuse me of holding out on them and not telling them where I got it. I had to stall to contact the seller because I realised the comment section was getting crazy and I didn't want them to be overwhelmed. So he's created an email that I can give you in the comments section of this video. But like I say, I haven't been bribed for this video. Unlike other content creators, I don't take the bribes. Because I didn't make this device, I cannot provide any aftercare instructions or deal with any disgruntled customers. This is not my baby. That is that. All I've received out of this is the views I've got in the video. The seller himself has received an unprecedented amount of orders, but it's been mutually beneficial for both of us without any transaction or free stuff going to anybody. In other news, there may well be an upgrade on this device from the seller. He's said to me that he's going to upgrade it very soon. Also, he said that he might be able to manufacture a Milwaukee one. So fingers crossed on that. Some of you did ask that question in the comments section. I've made this video purely to help you out. And what happens between you and the seller is between you and the seller. I have really enjoyed being able to bring you something that excited you. And I will continue to make more videos on these. It's not transactional. It's just something that I do as a content creator. So thank you very much for watching. And if you enjoyed this video, please leave a comment, please give me a thumbs up, and consider subscribing to the channel. I have thousands of videos on here on YouTube, and you might enjoy some of them too.